I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today we're going to answer a viewer question from Charles in North Wilmington. Charles wrote in, he said, Medicaid paid my hospital bills and medical expenses after my slip and fall accident. Now I'm getting a settlement, but my lawyer is fixing to pay back Medicaid from my settlement money. Is that legit? And the answer is yes, that's absolutely legit. If you've had a slip and fall or a personal injury accident in the state of Delaware, and your Delaware health insurance, your Delaware Medicaid health insurance has paid for medical treatment as a result of the injuries from that accident, when you get a settlement from the at-fault parties, the at-fault landowners insurance company, the at-fault drivers insurance company, what have you, you have to pay back Medicaid. That is statutory, and if you don't pay it back, you could lose your health insurance. You could end up on the wrong end of a lawsuit or criminal action potentially brought by the state of Delaware. So you absolutely want your lawyer to pay back Medicaid out of your settlement. What you have to know is that a number of years ago, my father, Ben Schwartz, had a personal injury case that he handled for a client named Mr. Jeffries. And we had Medicaid claiming a right to be reimbursed from Mr. Jeffries' slip and fall case. And so we litigated the case and we got the court to issue an opinion. In this case, it was called Jeffries versus Kent Votek. And essentially it said that when you pay back Medicaid for what they paid, when you pay Medicaid back out of the settlement for what Medicaid paid for your medical treatment, you're entitled to take a deduction that equals what you paid the lawyer. So if your lawyer's working on a contingent fee and let's say you're paying the lawyer a third, you take a third out of what you're paying back to Medicaid so that you're paying them a reduced rate. That's a case that we litigated. If you're an attorney and you're watching this video and you'd like to get the case citation, just shoot me an email. I can email it to you and you'll have it. But that's something that you can do. It'll save money. Make sure your attorney knows about it, Charles. It's something that's very helpful, and it's something that we fought for several decades ago so that it would be a benefit to all people who are injured in these types of cases in Delaware. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Very good question. If you have questions for me, keep them coming. You send them to me, you give me questions and I'll give you answers. Send me an email, ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. Thanks for watching.